Today we'll be learning how to plan a video. Planning is the first step to making a video, and it's really important that you do this step right so that the rest of the process can go by really smoothly. Today I'll be planning a video for my YouTube channel Sci Files, titled Edible Slime. If you want to see the finished product, check it out in the description below. The first step to planning a video is to come up with a title. In this case, Edible Slime explains my entire experiment in just 2 words. It's short and sweet, so everybody knows exactly what I'm about to show them. Next up, I plan my introduction, and so I have a pre-done Sci Files introduction that shows the different aspects of my YouTube channel. So under the introduction section, I say that I'd insert my pre-made intro. Next up, I make a list of the materials people will need if they want to follow along with my experiment. It's a good idea to do this ahead of time so that you also know what materials you need to buy to make your video. Next, we move on to methods, and so these are the steps that people take in order to follow along with the experiment. I always list out all the steps ahead of time so that I know which steps I need to record in order to present the finished experiment video. Then we move on to what I think is the hardest part, the explanation. The explanation is what we want people to take away from the video, the science behind the experiments that we're showing. In this case, I want to talk about what a non-Newtonian colloidal mixture is, and so I need to make sure that I remember to do that in my video. Here I make notes, so I remember what to talk about later. The overview is the most important part of the video. It tells people why you made it. So in this case, it's a video teaching people how to make their own edible slime, as well as explaining the science behind it. I always add an overview to my video, in order to remind people what they might have learned throughout. The final section to a video is the end screen, and this is super important because it tells people if they should keep watching your YouTube channel or if they should look at your Instagram or Facebook or wherever they should go next. And just like that, your video is planned. Look to the next lesson to learn how to film the video. Thanks for watching this Fission Learning video. If you'd like to see more, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Fission Learning. And be sure to check out more lessons at fissionlearning.ca. As always, thank you so much to ENDSCREEN for their support on this project. Go forth and see what you can create.